What up, gang? So, today is the 28th of August, and today is the day I've decided to go ISO. By ISO, I mean I am going to vanish from today. And I've been contemplating a lot during this whole period since my last video. And today's the day I finally do it. Today's the day I isolate myself from all of my friends. I start this journey of developing myself and growing. And it is going to be challenging. It is actually very challenging, mentally and physically. Because I do have a lot of things coming up throughout this week, throughout next month, which unfortunately I've cancelled it all. As well as it's taxing on the mind to an extent. Because there are certain friends who you want to meet, who you gel with, and you see them every day, you have a good time. But it is hard. It's hard to stay away from friends, the enjoyments, and the life you enjoy. But in the end, things need to change. Nothing changes if nothing changes. And I'll say it again, nothing changes if nothing changes. Many of us might have already heard this. But how many of us reflect on it? How many of us reflect on how we know what's the answer to our problems, but we do not do anything to work on it? We know what's the problem, we know what's the answer, but there are certain things what hold us back, such as me going on a complete ISO, vanishing until December the 7th. It is hard, it's challenging. I want to meet my friends, I want to enjoy, I want to go for parties, but I've tried it all. It's almost more than 6 months, and the year's going to end. And what has happened? Yes, I have grown, but have I grown how much I wanted to grow? Could I do better? Hell yeah. Even my wavelength with my friends, we have the same wavelength, but the trajectory is very, very different. It's hard actually, to completely vanish. It's not easy. Even if you see on YouTube, you just see videos of people done after 100 days, but not throughout the journey. Either it's day 1 or day 100. So I've thought is of journaling my life for the next 100 days. So yeah, throughout the journey, there'll be a lot on me speaking on how I could reprogram my subconscious mind, how routines are important, and willpower, how we got to be consistent, and a lot more. Because I've noticed that these topics are good, they are cool, but now you need to know the context behind it as well. So now when you go through these videos, you go through my journey, you see what things have led me do certain things, what have ended up getting me somewhere else, and how do I overcome them. It's not going to be all perfect, like perfection of me completing everything, getting everything done right. There are going to be nitty-gritty stuff which are going to be messy. But this is the whole point, right? Of going ISO and developing myself. I got to put the time, I got to put the effort, and I got to change. Because nothing changes if nothing changes. I would love to suck society tits and just live in society and go on with life. But my purpose is much bigger, and this is the only way I'm going to develop and change. So this is just going to be a phase of me vanishing for 100 days. It's like you getting drunk, getting high, you're just for a period of time under the influence, and then you're back to square one. So this is going to be something like that, Annie. These 100 days are going to be interesting. And the only way I'm going to be communicating with my friends through this video. So some of you may be already watching this video and wondering where stocks, what's happening, and yeah, it's going to be a fun journey. A lot of learning, a lot of development, mentally and physically, and it's going to be very interactive, that's for sure. And I'm going to be taking you through this whole journey with me, these 100 days until December 7th, and show that anyone could change their life. Hence, I got to make this change. I got to be by myself. And yeah, today's video was all about that. And the first day always is very all filled with motivation and all, like, yay, we'll do it. But like, the real feels, the real vibes, like, is going to come once couple of days pass away. So each day I'll be making a new video, and I'll also make a video by the end of the day just to update this video and be like, yo, what up, this is what happened, this is how things went, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I'd like you to join me to this journey. It'll be fun, it'll be exciting. It's going to be a new video each day. So like, yeah, a fun experience, a different phase of life, a different season. And this season's going to be a lot focused on self-development, improvement, being consistent, and reaching my goals. And I'll be giving you answers, not what I've got online, but answers which work. Answers which work with me. Those are the answers I'm going to be given, trial and tested. I'm just not going to be yapping something which does not make sense. But I'll help you with how I counter certain things and what's my answer to it. You may not agree, but the whole point of it is you think. I'm not going to give you answers to your solutions. I'm going to make you think and you find your own solutions based on your situation. So yeah, this is not a short video, probably be short. I was just yapping something. So like, yeah bro, I hope you enjoy it and see my friends on the other side, like you're seeing the video, so like, what up gang? So like, yeah, all cool. So yeah, I'll carry on with my day and I'll update a video at night. Let's see how things go. See ya, bye. Okay, so I'm come to the end of the day, and at the very moment, being isolation, being in, like in that ISO mode is kind of messy in a way that, like, while I was at the gym, I wanted to text a friend and be like, yo, what's up, let's meet, like I almost did it, but then I was just like, if I want to change in my life, I need to make a change or else nothing's gonna happen. So it is not easy. I expected it to be easy, being by myself, solo and all that, but it is kind of it is challenging. It's very challenging for me, at least, and I got to go strong. I've almost completed my today's agenda, also my checklist. It's not completely done, but I'll head off home now and get done with that. So overall, today's day started off well, but at the end, you could say, I've come to emotion of being numb at the moment, only so that I could get away those cravings away. It's like I felt the moment, I felt the emotion, but now what can be done? Cool, I felt the emotion, but can anything be done about it? If I would text my friend and meet him or just chill around, I would feel good. But then the whole point of going ISO would have got messed up. So yeah, I'll head off home right now. Overall, the day was good. It was productive enough. I did what I had to do. It was painful. It was not easy. But in the end, pain, no gain. And nothing changes if nothing changes. I'll just end the day by saying that. Nothing changes if nothing changes. So see you tomorrow, the new segment, day 2 of being ISO.